another Ducati episode. I know it's been a while since this has been on again. The Ducati. Has it? Has it not? I honestly forget which videos go out when, especially with everything that's been going on over the last month. But we're at the last few stages of pushing this Ducati on. And here is one of them. Of course, you've seen these rims before. And the hubs. Diamond City Cycles hubs. XL rims supplied by Haan Wheels. As I've mentioned before, custom drilled rims to fit these Diamond City Cycles hubs. Black laces, black nipples, but what these have now are the Avon Trailriders. AV54s on the back, AV53s on the front. Look how chunky that is for a big wheel. Pretty chunky, it's a 160 tyre. Bigger than whatever I've got on here. And for the front, here, a little bit thinner. It's a 120 tyre, which is like the average thickness of the rear tyres that I've got here, but that's for the front. 120, AV53 with a Diamond City Cycles hub and XL rims. What I'm going to do today is place these on the bike. Now I'm not going to do a proper accurate video because there's a lot of things that need to be done for this. Best thing about this is, so for the hubs, Diamond City Cycles have supplied me with XX650, which is the Yamaha bike hubs. Now luckily for me, the XX650 does fit perfectly for the front, and that is how exactly the front disc fits on. Perfect. However, things do change when you get to the back. XX650 does not fit the Ducati rear sprocket. The other issue I've got is that the front sprocket and the chain, so I've got a gorgeous RK Tagazako chain for the back, which is a 520 chain. Now for the XX650s, I believe they're 530s, which is a different chain. So of course I can't fit an XX650 rear sprocket straight into this. Looking around a little bit, yes, they do make a 520 XX650 rear sprocket, but that only comes in 34 teeth. I need to go 38 tooth, or what I had before on the Ducati was the 39 tooth, so I'd like pretty much that same balance. So if I can find a 38 or a 39, perfect. So there's going to be a lot of fiddling around and setting things up. I might even have to get a custom made sprocket if I can't find one. If anyone actually knows of a 38 tooth 520 rear sprocket that fits an XX650, let me know. But because the hub is narrower than the natural native Ducati 600 hub on this, I need to create spaces as well to try and line that up. So these wheels will be placed where they are, not actually mounted properly. Front, I think we'll get away with. Back, might need a bit of work. Wish me luck.
and the wheels are in place. The bike is a little bit dusty. That's because I've got all the bodywork and everything going on in here. A little bit of an air gun and that'll blast it all off. But the rear, gosh, even that's a bit dirty. Look at that, dust on that. Rear wheel is in place, and you can see how these spacers are going to be working here. So I've got a good, let's call that an inch, 30mm maybe, spacer there, and on that side I'd probably say the same. What I do need to do first, the most important thing I'd say, is to get the sprocket there, the front sprocket on, get the chain on, get the rear sprocket and align that first, and then once I've got that alignment done, then I can figure out what I need to do on this side. So this is where the disc goes. The disc is completely different, it's a completely different fit. So I might have to actually CNC a bracket that increases in size and distance where the disc sits, and then put an internal spacing collar there as well. But it's nothing too complex, it's just getting all the sizes and everything. Obviously lining up the caliper to the disc, and then on the front a little bit of an easier job. I have left this out for a second. This will be going in there, and that, oh, you can see here the distance between that and that might need to be tightened up, and then obviously this collar here actually goes in a lot further than what that needs to be done. So I'll figure out what spaces are needed on the front. The other thing with this is that these bolts are a bit too long, so that doesn't really clip on that well here. So I just need to get shorter bolts. No big deal for that. But also I need to check again the alignment of the caliper and the disc on that. Nothing too massive, just a quick little check. Front end, in fact, it's on wheels, and I have stuck the original shock just on there, just at the moment, just so I can align everything and get the height and everything done. That will be replaced with the TFX Shock. But this is the bike as it currently sits. Front end all done, that needs to be a CNC'd. Body to go on, electrics, CNC'd covers, clean it all up, and then just all the hoses and everything that's needed, and that's it, job done. So that's it for this episode. Join me next week where I'll probably be on the BMW. In fact, I will be on the BMW next week. Be putting the tyres onto the rims for the BMW and also fitting them onto the bike. That'll be next week's job. Or it might even be the exhaust. I don't know yet. Who knows? Exhaust, could be. Let's see. Until next week, follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and also visit football.industries.com if you want to buy any merch. But until next week, go create something.